Before coming to DHI, I have done tons of research. Which treatment should I go for? And believe me guys, my decision was absolutely bang on. Hi guys, my name is Vatsal Mehrotra. I belong to city of Lucknow. The best part about DHI International is that the doctor herself was present for hair transplant, making sure that I was comfortable at each procedure. They were making sure while doing the treatment as well that everything was going well. My hairline has improved. I am a hotelier and for me, looks matters. And I'm 100% satisfied. I will be conveying the same feedback to my friends and family as well. And I will make sure my elder brother also comes to this research facility as well. I would say if anyone is looking for hair transplant, go for this treatment. DHI is the option for you guys. Thank you.